check it out of my bag, out of my... Patrick. You guys just a walkthrough. We have 12 volt, which you can get them in 24, 48, whatever. So you guys can go right to it. You can get them off Amazon. They're really, autopilot, which is also utilized down here for. We've got more in the engine cavity, but just in case. Oh, good lord! Don't do that. Distributors, bus bars underneath. Have what I found autopilot, and it's good to know because I know that our autopilot appears to the right. Did not do Victron was these, not one of those cheap knockoff grades. The batteries did not fit, so we couldn't put those up there because it stops. Us right. We'll add to it eventually. Eventually, I'll have. In the engine bay, we've got the Victron, and we also have the controllers in there. But we're learning.